In this tutorial, we'll import and apply animation to a model in Plask and export both of them to Unreal 5. First, import the video file containing the motion you want to extract to Plask. Once the video is imported, select the parts you want to extract motion from. If you have MoCap Pro, you can choose the foot locking option to get a better result. Import the extracted motion to a character in Plask and click the play button to check if the extraction was successful. We will export characters and animations from Plask to Unreal 5. In the export modal, select the FBX format for the Unreal Engine. Create a new folder in Unreal to import the FBX file from Plask. Be sure to check out the import option. For characters and animations to be imported successfully, FPS, mesh, animation, skeleton, and texture must be considered. Place your character in the Unreal scene you are working on. Now we will create a sequencer to view the character's animation. Now you should know how to import animation and characters from Plask to Unreal 5 without retargeting. Thanks, and try Plask for free at www.plask.ai.